Tired of alt-tabbing between Google Calendar and Notion? Embed your calendar in Notion in under 2 minutes. First, grab the embed code from Google Calendar settings, then paste it into a Notion embed block. Here's how. First, in the left sidebar of Google Calendar, hover over the calendar you want to embed. Then click the 3-dot menu that appears. From that menu, choose Settings and Sharing to open the calendar settings. Now scroll down to the Integrate Calendar section and copy the embed code provided. Head over to your Notion page and click into an empty space at the bottom. Type a / followed by Embed to bring up the embed options. Then click on the Embed block type that appears. Paste the embed code you copied earlier into the field that appears. Finally, click Embed Link to insert the calendar into your page. And that's it. Your Google Calendar is now embedded in Notion. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.